I'm Adrian, the Cruise and Travel Guy. Join me on board Grand Princess for a tour of a mini suite. This particular mini suite is located on Dolphin Deck 9 and can accommodate up to 3 passengers. In typical Princess mini suite layout, the room starts with the bedroom area immediately after the wardrobe. The bed can be split into twins if preferred. Each bedside table offers a lamp with a USB-A outlet. The bedside tables each offer an additional shelf and 2 drawers for storage. The bedroom area has a large flat screen television which is interactive and offers on-demand entertainment. There are 2 US-style outlets located at the main vanity. There's also another lamp with USB-A charging slot. Here you'll also find additional drawers for storage. You'll find another 2 US-style outlets located at the room's built-in bar. This is also where you'll find the mini fridge. Walking through the suite into the living room space, you'll find another large flat screen television. This lounge can also be converted into a sofa bed to accommodate a 3rd guest. The balcony is spacious and offers extra depth compared to other balconies on board. There are 2 chairs with ottomans and a side table. The balcony, however, is fully exposed to the cabins above. Walking through the room, you can see the additional storage area on the living room side of the bar. Near the front door, you'll find the large walk-in wardrobe. There's ample hanging space, plus bathrobes for use while on board. It's good to note that suitcases can be stored under the bed. A large mirrored wardrobe contains additional shelving and a digital safe. The bathroom is larger than a regular stateroom bathroom and offers a shower over the bath. Despite its age, everything was incredibly clean and looked well maintained. There is lotion and hand wash available for use at the basin, plus a combined shampoo and conditioner mix and body wash are available in the shower. The red cable is an emergency pull cord because this room has a bath. A clothesline above will help you keep things dry during your cruise. I hope you enjoyed that tour. If you are looking to book a cruise, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au, and if you haven't done so already, please give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at The Cruise and Travel Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.